Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today in this video we're going to be playing Clash of Clans. Okay, so we're going to be doing some sandbox attacking. So with 999 spells. Oh, and a few wizards for the gold and stuff like that. Use the new update added that we can't destroy the gold storages. They have a shield to these. And just go like that and that and that and just keep on destroying. And these treasures are not hidden. The bombs are not hidden either. Get wrecked, son. Okay, so pretty much almost gold stores are left. I don't know if, oh yeah, okay. So let's just take out the king. There we go, king's dead. No, he isn't? Okay. Die, king. There we go, king's dead. I think that's it. Oh. There you go, that's dead. It was bought a few wizards to finish the job. Let's get more some spells. And there you go. There you go. So that is a good raid. So I guess that takes to show that you can really take out a lot of things with a lot of spells. So mostly use lightning spells. Just kidding. Use healing spells and stuff like that. I only have lightning spells though. So why do I only have 1078 trophies? I had no. Wait, it's wrong. Let's see. Keep active. There we go. So no one can attack me. No. So let's attack a new guy. Let's see. The best guy inside of Clash of Clans. Visit. Let me know how you felt about this. I don't know if the clan cast has anything in it. No. Okay. So let's go for a few right there. Okay, so let's just put a few there to take out their defenses. Ah, you're going down. Take out the queen. I think the queen's dead. Yeah, queen's dead. Let's take out the king now. The king's pretty much dead now. Let's go take him out, and there you go. King, die. Is the king dead? Seriously! Take that king down. Is he dead yet? There we go, finally. Go for some right there. And there, take out this cannon. I think that's everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some wall breaks so I can break through the wall and get the rest. Make sure that's open and I'll spawn a few wizards in. Oh. So I don't have that much battery left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out and I'll end this video. Let's get all of these. I might not even get the 3-star. I only have 30 seconds. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Take it out. Take it out. There we go. Na na na. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da da. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.